Hi everybody. Today I wanted to do a fun video. Well, it's not going to be fun for me because I've been dreading doing this. And I'm talking about going into my walk-in closet and taking everything out, purging things that I no longer want or use, and getting it organized. And I have been dreading this because there's a lot of stuff in there and I'm a little embarrassed to show you what it looks like. It kind of looks like a bomb went off. I'm normally a very organized person, but the last 6 months, I just didn't want to deal with it because I thought, why bother if the house is selling? Like, I'll just pack everything up whenever we do leave. The house hasn't sold yet, so I got to get this under control. And I thought that it might be fun for you to watch the process. Now, I'm not doing it all in one video because that would take way too long, and to be honest with you, I'm feeling a little under the weather today. I feel like I'm coming down with a cold or something. And I didn't really feel like getting all made up. So I just thought that I'd show you what my real life is like. And I'm gonna take you in the closet and explain what I'm planning on hoping to get done today. So please don't judge me. And also please make sure that you are subscribed, because I think that this process is probably going to span over at least 2 to 3 videos, and I wouldn't want you to miss seeing what the end result looks like. So let's get started. This is what the inside of my closet looks like at the moment. I feel like I have enough gas in my tank today to tackle that. At least I hope that I do. So I better get started before my get up and go gets up and leaves. Okay, so the top shelf is done and I'm going to show you that in a minute, but I'm so excited. Last year, during the Sephora sale, I purchased 2 items that I have not, why am I going 4? Peace, man. I purchased 2 items on the Sephora sale that I have not been able to find all summer. And I honestly thought that with all the people coming and going in the house this year with the open houses, that somebody had lifted it. Because I would come home and like stuff on my dresser was moved. Like, people shouldn't be touching my stuff, right? You're here to look at the house. But anyways, there was a bag on the top shelf of my closet that I had stuffed the items in, so I'm so happy, and I'll show you that in a minute. I have to switch out the battery, it's dying. And here's the bag that's been sitting in my closet for the last year, and when I looked inside, I almost didn't even take it down, but I found my purchases from Sephora from last year. And I'm so happy that I found this because I really, really wanted it last year when I bought it, and it bugged me so much that I couldn't find it. This stuff is not cheap, so I'm so happy to have found this stuff. So there's the top shelf. Everything is off of it. It's been wiped down. I decided to keep that stuff there because it's going back there anyways. Those are just some boxes with some Coach travel bags in that decorative box. I keep all of my travel little accessories, like, you know, little bottles for TSA carry-on, those different adapters for different power when you travel like to Europe. I have a mirror there that I no longer use because it's not strong enough for my eyesight, so I'm probably going to sell that on Kijiji or something. And I keep my jewelry box from when I was a child, just for sentimental value. There's nothing in it, but every time I see it, I think of my mom and dad. So now I'm gonna go through everything here and make piles of what I'm going to keep. If it's summer clothing, I'm gonna pack it up in a box and put it away. And if there's stuff that I'm gonna donate or try and sell, I'll put those in the appropriate piles. But don't worry, I'll speed it up as I'm editing this so you don't have to sit through everything. So I think I did pretty good. The bed's empty. I had a big stack of clothes that I'm going to have to get a moving box, put all of my summer clothes in, and those are a pair of jeans that are going in the donate pile. And that pile there is, remember the comforter cover that I used to have on here? I don't want it anymore, but I'm going to wash it and I'm going to donate it, and that's all of the shams and the bed skirt that I never used. I'm gonna donate that as well, so I'm gonna put that in a bag. So I'm pretty proud of myself. That's a pile of jeans. I never realized I had so many jeans, and some still have tags on that have never been worn. That is a purse that I had lent to my daughter, and she brought it back to me. And I think I'm going to switch into that one for the winter. It's my Michael Kors Hamilton. I love that purse. I carried it every day for 3 years after I bought it. I just love it. I love a big purse, and I love silver hardware. I'm not really too much into gold. And those are just some decorative bags that I kept, and they have like empty boxes for my Pandora bracelets in there. That's a decorative box that I have my hats on top of. A Royal Dalton figurine that I bought years ago and I've never taken out of the box to commemorate Princess Diana, and I think I'm going to try and sell it in the future. And that's that. So I think it looks a lot more organized than it did a half an hour ago when I started. So I'm glad that I started on this small project because I can feel my lungs are starting to get irritated, and I really feel like I'm getting sick. So I'm going to end this video here. I'm so happy that you hung out with me today and kept me company while I cleaned out my closet. I appreciated the motivation. Please be sure that you are subscribed for all of my future videos. I have a list of videos that I was hoping to record today, but I'm going to put them on the back burner for a few days until I get rid of whatever it is on my my lungs. I hope it's not bronchitis. I don't think it is, but I am prone to it. So as soon as I'm feeling 100%, I'll be back recording my videos. And in the meantime, I think I have 225 videos in my library. So if you miss me, you could check out some of those older videos. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.